this last part of our three-part series, we're going to take the custom AI assistant we just created and turn it into a web app. This is so incredibly easy to do. I actually did it accidentally once. I'm going to show you how to create the app and how to work with the AI to adjust the app to make it fit your personal needs and style. And then we'll take it for a spin. Let's check it out. So what we'll do is we'll go back to Canvas, click on Canvas, and I think we can just say, make this a web app. Yeah, that's probably all we need to do. Let's see what happens. And so here's what it's doing. Of course, I'll create a web application that lets you generate Facebook posts for your real estate business. And it's creating the code. All right, and then we have an app. Okay, we can select a type, let's say buyer tip. And then enter any key information and generate a post. And there it is. You can copy the text. You can copy the prompt. Okay, of course, this is not really an AI image prompt. An AI image prompt should be very clear. So let's see if we can fix that. We just tell it what the problem is. The prompt created is not suitable for AI image generation. Fix it so that the prompt offered is specific and clear for AI to use to generate an appropriate image. How about that? Okay. Let's see what happens. Okay. So look at that. I've updated the web application to generate better prompts. These prompt specifics about style, lighting, composition, mood, blah, 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 blah. Okay. Here are the changes I've made. Okay. So then we'll let it cook here. All right. Now let's see what we get. Let's do market update. How about? Sure. See what happens. All right. So that gives you an AI image. Now this AI image is just an image. It's not, and it looks like it'll give you something pretty cool. It's not going to give you any specific data. So if you wanted to make something like an infographic to go with your post, let's see. Interest rates are holding steady. Interesting. Okay. So, if you wanted like specific numbers and stuff, I wouldn't trust this to do that for you. But let's see what this image looks like. It sounds pretty cool. Modern and optimistic graphic design, blah, blah, blah. Okay. So go back to our whisk here, and now we'll give it that one, and it gives us 2 views, 2 generations. All right, so yeah, real estate. Real estate market update. That looks kind of cool. You know, yeah, it's not bad. So yeah, it gives the idea, and it lets the viewer know this isn't any real information. This is just just a graphic. Oh, yeah, it looks pretty sweet. So you just copy and paste that in. Okay. Now, so you have an app here. How do you save the app so you can keep using it? Well, there's a couple of things you can do. So if you click on the code view, so this is all just code. It's HTML. See, it's HTML code. So if you wanted to paste this into a web page, if you have, you can in your own website, you could do that. But you don't have to do that. What you could do is you could just come over here to this menu and just pin. See, I've already pinned a Facebook post generator, and you can do the same. Just pin it. Okay. And then you can name it something. You can name, well, I would name it Facebook post generator. Okay. Okay. Facebook post generator. Anytime you want to come back to it, you can just come back to this recent conversation, this pinned conversation, and it'll have your app right there ready to go. So that's one way to do it. Okay. So there's our web app. We can use it to generate Facebook content in seconds, complete with suitable images. And trust me, if you tell the image generator to generate people, it looks excellent, extremely realistic, and you can't tell the difference between it and a very high quality stock image you'd normally have to pay for. Now, keep in mind that the world of AI is changing at an incredibly fast pace. What I showed you today in this video is likely to be outdated within weeks. Capabilities of AI are only going to get better and better. As things stand right now, you can already do incredible things, so I'm looking forward to see what comes next. As I discover new, exciting ways to use technology, including AI, you'll find it here on my channel, so make sure you subscribe and click the notification bell to know when the latest videos drop. Find your fulcrum point, and you can move the world. Let's get to it.